What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, when we talk about the biggest things for crypto, the biggest thing would be the form of adoption and seeing big banks, big financial institutions, just big money, different businesses, retail, right? Everybody adopting cryptocurrency is the best way that we can see cryptocurrency move forward. And once we start seeing places that are already well established and have, more traditionalists investing start to get into more of the crypto space, that's where we start to see like, look, crypto is the real deal. It's not something that's completely going away and is going to be a fad, right? That's what they thought about the internet, right? Internet was going to be just a fad. Nobody would get into it. There's no reasons to use it, all of that stuff. And now look at the internet. It's pretty much everywhere. If you open up your refrigerator in times in certain people's houses, one of those houses being mine, you can have a screen on your refrigerator, internet connection on your refrigerator. That's the type of thing that we're going to see. Adoption with cryptocurrency and forms of payment everywhere. And the biggest piece of it is going to be like with real estate and a lot of other investments that you end up making, there. So that's going to be the biggest thing for me, at least. I feel like it's going to be wherever you can make larger purchases that are hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe even millions of dollars. It's best to go through crypto because you don't have a standard waiting process or have to get an explanation or anything like that when you want to use your actual cash, when you want to use your money. With crypto, it's instant. In some cases, it takes a little bit of time, but in a lot of cases, it will be instant in the future. So adoption is big, and we have some big news, at least from what I'm seeing, and I want to go through, which would be Fidelity offering crypto. Fidelity is a large financial institution that offers some really great funds, and a lot of people, use their services, every single service that they do have. I've been investing with Fidelity for years now. I can't remember how many years. I started investing with Scott Trade, moved over to Trade King. That got bought out by Ally. I still have an Ally account, but I trade primarily through Webull and Fidelity. I started with Fidelity and moved over to Webull as more of my analytical situation. It just looks a lot better for me. No offense, Fidelity, but Fidelity is one that I still go back to, where I have my daughter's 529 accounts, where we have our full breakdown of net worth and everything. It's not really updated right now, and we have other accounts as well. So it's something I've been using for a while, and now Fidelity is offering crypto. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon. Those links should be also in the description. I wanted to check when Fidelity started offering crypto. Because I feel as though it's not something that happened on this date, but I knew of them looking to get into that, and they had to put it on pause because of all of the speculation behind different cryptocurrencies being labeled as security, and the speculation behind cryptocurrency exchanges and everything's going on there with FTX and BlockFi and everything that happened there. But I don't really have the date on when Fidelity started offering crypto, but right now it is open. So if we go over to my screen here, you're going to see trade crypto in Fidelity. Now, if you don't have a Fidelity account, you can sign up for an account. So tap into the new crypto frontier with a trusted leader. Introducing Fidelity Crypto, a breakthrough way to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum in the same app where you trade stocks. Now, this is not something to where you're going to trade all of the cryptocurrencies. It's going to be offered, I guess, sparingly. And I don't really know exactly everything that will be offered, but we will take you through it. And if I have to edit this to kind of, black out something or blur something, I will do that. But right now, if you wanted to go in here, you would click open an account. Now, I already have a Fidelity account, so it's going to basically say, do you already have a Fidelity account? And I said yes. So then I go through this where you have start Fidelity Crypto. You'll fund your trading with an eligible Fidelity account, and we'll check if you have one. Transfer money, trade crypto, and you can really just get started. It's that simple, right? So I don't really know where it's going to take me from here. But if it does take me to a place where I need to black it out, I probably will just skip forward and we'll really go from there. So let's see where this does go, just so I can take you through an easy way to do that. So I guess I'll just fund with a certain account here. I'll just fund with this account. Next. And we will add something there. Good thing it didn't show all the accounts. Now you go through the process and you basically show it shows your social security number, everything that I don't want to show on this. And now I hit open an account and it will open an account and give me a different detail. Now I'm going to go in there and see what I can trade. Your account is open. Now move cash over to trade crypto. So I can continue. And we can go through the test before we get started. Look, the look of Fidelity crypto. We know when you're in crypto and when you're not. This background, know when you're in crypto and know when you're not. This background only appears when interacting with Fidelity digital assets. So you'll see this that shows Fidelity crypto versus a regular brokerage account. Complete these next steps to start trading crypto. So open an account, add money to fund your account, move cash to Fidelity crypto. I don't know, like $50. You know what? Let's just add like $39. $40. Let's add $40 to transfer it, and we'll go through that and submit. And we had the success. All right, so now we're in Fidelity crypto. I have a balance of $40 that's in here. I want to see what assets you can explore, and it seems like you only have the ability to explore Bitcoin and Ethereum. No other ones are launched on this platform, but I believe they will have they will launch other cryptocurrencies on this platform as time goes on. Right now, again, it's only Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if I wanted to basically say, hey, I wanted to go and buy Ethereum, I click on Ethereum. It's going to give me the price. You're going to see the background that tells me that I'm in Fidelity crypto as of right now. And introducing charts, check out the latest tool and advanced charting for crypto. So you'll have a different charting for crypto than you do for the stock market. That's fantastic. But if I wanted to buy cryptocurrency, would it allow me to buy a portion of it, like money value rather than, total coins that are there? So if I wanted to take a dollar amount, I would say, all right, I wanted to go in dollars. I wanted to take $40 and, do it market value and then preview order, just like you would do in a regular thing. And you would place the order there. So there we go. Very, very simple. I now should have Fidelity, or I now should have Ethereum, not should have Fidelity. I now should have Ethereum in my wallet. So as I go back to Fidelity crypto, it's going to take me here where I did not. Did I pay something in order to do that? I'm down 0.4, 40 cents. Since I just invested, I had $40 and now I have 40 cents. So my positions, I can look at my positions that I have, and it's telling me I have Ethereum in this wallet or in this portfolio. So honestly, it's not bad. I like it. I wish that it offered more, and hopefully as time goes on, you'll be able to get some of these other assets throughout time. But right now it's really just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but this is huge for cryptocurrency. Investing with Fidelity, with a financial institution that is, for more traditional investors, you're starting to get into that crypto space and believe in Bitcoin, believe in Ethereum, and have the ability to easily fund it from your already investing accounts, right? So anyways, that's what I have for you guys. I'm going to have to edit the hell out of this thing. Not really fully edit it, but I am going to have to edit it to make sure that a lot of the things that aren't supposed to be shown are not shown, especially social security number and all of that stuff there. Different balances that aren't my balances, but are a part of, a full group of balances that we have there. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.